Right, okay, if you have a problem with mould in your vehicle, do not, I repeat, do not try and fix it yourself. Mould is very, very toxic to humans, and as you can see, this is not an easy fix. The car's been stood for many months without any ventilation at all, and obviously the mould has multiplied on the high contact areas, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a full cleanse on the interior of this vehicle to make it safe for the driver and the driver's passengers. This is something that we specialise in. We're not valeters, we're problem solvers. And we expect this job to take all day, followed by an overnight treatment of ozone to further decontaminate the air conditioning and the cabin. Yep, believe it or not, that is the same seat. And after a lot of hard work, we managed to remove all that mould. And as you can see, that seat belt as well is looking good. This was a day's work to get that interior to look like that. And we also followed that up with overnight ozone treatment. And the ozone basically will penetrate all the fabrics and kill any virus, bacteria, mould that may be present in the vehicle. And it so as you can see, everything is looking a lot better. The car now is clean, and it's also safe for the driver and the driver's passengers to use the vehicle. Okay, anyway, there you go. It's difficult to see with the sun shining, but we've also done all the headlining as well. Things like the sun visors, the indicator stalks, pretty much everywhere where we have access to. So there you go.